So we're looking at a couple of these, and I know some of you guys install these, and I'm just wondering what the benefit is. Some of the ones that we like is, this is a little bit more cubic feet, 27.7. It's a GE appliance. I kind of like this one. It's only $18.98. This one is $19.98, and it's a LG. I don't know, 28 cubic feet. It says refrigerator with ice and water dispenser and craft ice in print-proof stainless steel. This one's a little different. This is a 27.8 cubic feet, and it says print-proof, door refrigerator and smudge-proof, whatever. It's got all your water and stuff right here. And then is this the other one you said you were looking at? The Whirlpool?
Yes.
This Whirlpool one, it's got a deep drawer in the center here. It's got this in the bottom down here. I'm not a pro with this. The freezer area is pretty deep in the bottom. It's got a basket that comes out right above it. This is a center drawer. I think the only thing that really throws me off here is it's only 24.5 cubic feet, and I really don't like that because it seems like the refrigerator is kind of small. I could get over it for sure, but I don't know. I know some of you guys do this stuff for a living, so that's why I'm kind of asking. Then the other one I like is this here. It's a 28-foot cubic feet, 4-door French, and it's the Smart ThinkQ. It's got all the display stuff here. It says inverter, linear compressor, LG ThinkQ. I guess it's a smart appliance refrigerator. And I like this one. I like the way it's laid out a little better. I think I really like the way this is. This one's not as deep as the other one, but you lose 4 cubic feet in refrigerator space, and that's quite a bit in the grand scheme of things. All right, here's the bottom drawer. I'll show you what the inside of these is before we move forward real quick. This is the one that just seems like this climate zone is a little bigger for like deli meats and stuff like that. And there's this here. Let's just let you see the inside of this. I think this, to me, seems a little bit more bright inside. I kind of like it. It says it's the ThinkQ Care, so I think you can link to this too as well if you wanted to monitor. It's really cool looking. And I think when this is a like, I think it makes ice up there, and then it also has craft ice down here. Okay. This here is the 27.8 cubic foot ice maker. Let's see. It says it's an adjustable temp drawer. I don't know. The biggest one that I seen here that was the nicest was this right here. $27.88. It's a mega capacity 4-door French, it says. And it's wide and deep. Metal cooling. A lot of space inside here. But it's also $2,700, you know. thought this was pretty cool right here. I know it's just cool. It's not. It's just 2,500. It's kind of neat. I really like this one a lot. But it is only 26 cubic feet. And I do like the space. Help me out. I'm gonna tell you what I'm leaning towards. Maybe you don't even want to know. I don't know. This one here. Is it this one? 28 cubic feet. It's the I think this one. This is the one I really like. It's not old and it's not too old. It's fresh. It's got the, when you open the door, it blows the cold air down on top of everything to try to keep as much in as possible. Let me know what you guys think.